Hello guys, hello, I'm back. My name is Yelena. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a cute, very easy bee sugar cookie. So here's my cookie itself. I already baked it, as you can see. And to help you if you struggle with the shape, I always kind of pre-mark a little bit with the pencil just to see what goes where. And then I just go and outline my lines. So of course for the bee, we're gonna do black, yellow and white for the wings. And as usual, I'm working with royal icing. I'm gonna link a recipe below of how I'm making mine. I'm using Wilton mirroring powder. And for the flooding consistency, I use kind of on a runnier side royal icing. I thin it out with water and just go for it. So I did my black first, and when it becomes a little matte, as you can see, so it's crusted a little over, I'm gonna go back with my yellow icing for the other stripes and for the face, like that. And then if you want the lines to be a little sharper, I just go with a toothpick and straighten it out, kind of drag a little bit where I need to. All right, so let that crust over a little bit too. And now I can go with my white royal icing and gonna fill up the wing part just like that. Again, nothing to it, so just go for it. And once I do all, and again let crust it over a little bit so we can put our details. I like to put a little face, little antennas for my bee, the eyeball, and the little details for the wings. So kind of outline them. Just make sure we see that there is, yes, two wings, and the little curlicues kind of make it whimsical. All right, so nothing to it. Very easy, very cute. Sometimes I put a little smile on them, a little mouse. This one I didn't have any, but I think it still looks very nice. So hope you guys like this little cute video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like, and I will see you next time. Bye. Love you so much.